Yeah, hello guys. I'm so excited to have you in this on this call today. I'm super excited to have you here. I can assure you will never regret joining this call because this training is going to take you from being a newbie to a professional graphic designer within just some few minutes. If you can stay with me within just a few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can become a professional graphic designer. You know, being a graphic designer, you know, it's not as difficult as it used to be those days when you have to, go and enroll in a computer school or wherever and stay there for like 6 months, day and night to learn how to become a graphic designer. The era of the internet has made things so easy, and it has never been this easy for anyone to make money from the internet, you know, and acquiring skill just like this. That's why I want to encourage you, stay with me on this course, and I can assure you, you will never regret ever joining this course. So, a lot of professional graphic designers, whenever they are so busy to sit down and design for their clients. There are some website that they always go to just do one or two things and get the job done and send it to their clients, and before you know it, they are paid for the job. So I'm going to show you a website that you can go to and just edit one or two things and you get the job done, and from there you can get it across to your customer, or you get it printed. Do you understand? So let's go straightly to the website. There is a website that is called postermywall.com. Okay, let's go to this website. With this website, there are a lot of templates that you can easily edit. You get it? And so far you can use your word, your Microsoft Word. It is very easy to be able to navigate around this website and get things done. And you can click here to create a design, or you can just come here and search for a design. So let's search for a design. Let's click on here to search for a design. So let's click there. Okay, as soon as you click on that spot, it will bring up this dialog box where you can type in whatsoever you want to search for. So let's search for party flyer. Party flyer. And after typing it in, you click here to search for whatsoever you want to search for. So it's loading. Can you see that? Can you see templates? A lot of party flyers template that you can easily work on. These are well prepared party flyers, and look at this flyer is for housewarming. This housewarming party flyer, and look at this other one. This one is for kids party. You understand? And a lot of flyers out there, a lot of flyers, professional, well prepared package flyers. Can you see these as well? This one is a music flyer. A lot of them, a lot of flyers. We have a bunch of flyers out here that you can see. These are for birthday, birthday flyers. Can you see all these ones? Okay, let's search for church flyers. Let's search for church flyer. Church flyer. Wait for it, and it's here, guys. Can you see this? Can you see this? This church. These different types of church flyers. Whenever your church is having program, you can easily design flyers for them. Can you see all this? Can you see all these lovely flyers? Can you see? Let's search for call card. Let's search for call card. It's loading. Can you see? Can you see all this? Can you see complimentary card here? Can you see complimentary card? Can you see this as well? These are complimentary card. Can you see this? All these are complimentary card that you can easily edit. These are complimentary card that you can easily edit. These are complimentary card, wonderful complimentary card. Let's go and search for. Let's search for staff ID card. Staff ID card. Can you see this? These are staff ID card. These are staff ID card that you can, model. You can draw inspiration from them, and you can at the same time, edit these ones and send it to your clients, and you make your money, guys. You've made your money, guys. You've made your money, guys. That's just it. So let me teach you how to go about editing it. So let's go for church flyer. Let's search for church flyer. Let's wait for it. It's loading, guys. Oh. Flyer. Okay. It's loading here. These are church flyers. Let's see. Let's just pick one to edit so that you can have an idea of how to go about it, guys. Let me show you how you can get it edited and get it across to your clients or print out. All right, let's go for this. You after clicking on it, the next thing you click on is you come here and click on edit design. So we click on edit design. So it's loading at the moment. It's loading. So let's wait for it. It's loading, guys. Let's wait for it. This is it. The church flyer is here. So all you need to do at this moment is to edit the flyer, and let's take from the top here. Okay, let me just put it through the interface very fast. Let's start from the top here where we have file. Let's click on file. Where we have file, you can have a new project. You can duplicate, you can open, save, download, publish, collaborate, and the rest. And if you come to the next one here, that says add, you can add image, you can add element, you can add text, media, layout, you can draw anything. That's to that. So this other one here serves for the premium, is for the premium version. That's for those that have subscribed to the website. You have to pay on a monthly basis subscription, or you pay whenever you are designing anything on their website. So there are some features that you cannot have access to if you have not paid for the premium. And this other one here, let's click on it. This is for you if you want to save your project, whatsoever you've done. You can save it to your Google, or you can save it to your Facebook account or wherever. And this other third, the three dots here is if you want to download. Sorry, this is it. You want to download or publish or collaborate. That's just it. And if you come to the bottom here, if you want to undo anything that you have probably made a mistake, you can undo or redo or whatever. And this other one is for you to be able to move the Canva page. And if you want to zoom in, this for you to be able to zoom in or zoom out or whatever. That's to that. If you want to zoom in or zoom out. And this other one here, this button here, sorry, and this button here is for you to be able to bring out the tools that you can use to edit whatsoever the project that you are working on. Let me click on it. You can see that it has brought out all the tools that you can use to edit whatsoever project that you're working on. And let's take from the top here. If you have anything that you have placed on it, you can send it to the back or to the forward. You can duplicate with this, or if you are not duplicating, you want to delete that whatsoever you don't want on the design, you can delete it. That's to delete. And if you want to increase or decrease the opacity, this is it. This is the button here. You can use it to increase or decrease the opacity. If you want to crop anything, this to crop. That's for you to be able to crop anything that you want to crop. And if you want to replace, you can click on this button to replace. And if you want to remove the background, this to remove the background of probably any image that you brought in or whatever. But the challenge is that this is for pro version. It's a premium subscription. If you have paid for the subscription, that is when you can use that too. And this other one is the max 2. If you want to max anything that's out where you are going to get it max, these are other features or tools, for you to add shadow, glowing and the rest. That's just it. So let's get this flyer edited. The first thing we look at is the name of the church. This is the name of the church here. That is the name of the church. So let's click on it. And as soon as you click on it, you put the name of your own church there. After clicking on it, you come here to pull out the editing tools. And after, if you should look at it, come here, you'll see edit text. And this is the name of the church there. This is the name of the church. So we want to change the name of the church from Redeemer Church of God. You can now change it. Let's click on it. You delete whatsoever is there, and you probably change it to, let's say the name of your church is let's make it capital letter, City of David. Okay, so that's just it. After typing it in, you click on that button again for it to be able to go back. Can you see that it has changed the name? Look at here now, it has changed the name of the church. So for you to centralize it, you just have to move it, click on it and move it to the center. That's just it. That's how to go about it. You move it to the center. This is a challenge with the postermywall. You don't have anything locked down, so it's, as you are trying to move one thing or the other, is if your hand is touching something else, it will drag it a wire. That's just the challenge. So let's click on undo. so that we can get those things back to where they are. Okay. I'm trying to increase the size. Let me check here if I can. Okay, let's use this to increase the size quickly. All right, but this is too much. Let's reduce it. Let's reduce it. Let's reduce it. Okay. That's just it. So let's try and move it to the center. Okay. So let's leave that. So the program is they have a miracle night. So we can change this from miracle night. How do we go about that? You come back here after clicking on it. After clicking on whatsoever you want to edit, you come back here and click on it to bring it out. So you go to where you have the name. Let's look for the name of the church. Let's go back and re-click on it. Can you see that it's clicking on something else entirely? It's clicking on something else entirely. So I believe we've been able to pick it now. Let me go back again. Exactly, is it dragging? Okay, it's dragging the lights. Okay, let's just leave this. You can oh, okay, let me pick it one after the other. Okay, that's for the hem. So this hem here, let's say we want to amazing. Let's change it to okay, amazing. So let's lock that in. Let's click on, let's put that aside. This interruption, we will bring it back later. So let's edit that. You know, one thing with this is that you have to edit it one after the other, you know, because they are placed on each other. So let's go back there. Sorry for that. I mistakenly clicked something else. Okay. So you pick it one after the other, and let's change that to Z. Okay. We've done that. Amazing. So let's change that quickly. We've done that. Done high. Amazing. Okay, we're almost done. Let's change this. Okay, so after editing it, you have to arrange everything. Arrange everything. Sorry, that started. Okay, so you adjust it, and then let's click on this other one and go to edit. So Amazing Grace. Let's say Amazing Grace. Okay, can you see that it has changed from Miracle Night to Amazing Grace? So that's just it. That's how to go about editing it. And if you want to change the images, the pictures, you just click on it. Let's say we want to change. Let's just change one of these. And as soon as you click on it, if you look at this side, it says replace. So you now click on replace. Yeah, so you ask you, do you want to replace from the stock pictures, or you want to upload from your phone? So let's click on upload from phone. So after clicking on that, you ask you upload from phone. So you click there to go to where you have. Sorry for that. You click there and you now come here to do what? To browse. So you click on browse. You click on browse so that you can get your image. So where I have my image is in my gallery. So for you to go to your gallery, you click on this. Sorry, you click on that. So let's click on the three lines there, and we now click on gallery. This is my gallery here. So you click on gallery to go and fetch your picture. So let me quickly go to where I have my picture downloaded. So let me go and get the picture so fast. Yeah, can you see what I'm doing now? It's so easy. All you need to do is to just edit, replace, and the rest. That's just it. You can start making money from this from today. You can start making money from this from today if you can just learn it and master it, and start carrying out projects. And as soon as you click on your image, you come here and click on done. You come there and click on done. So let's click on done. So it's loading. The image is loading. Yeah, you can see that it's loading. So it's loading. Let's give it some few minutes. It's loading, or some few seconds rather. It's almost done. It's almost done loading. Okay, and the next thing now is that he's asking, do you want to crop the image, or you want to leave it? If you want it to be a square, you can click on it. On this, you can click on it. If you want it as a rectangle, and if you want it as the original size, you click on this. So it all depends on what you want. I want it as the original size, so I will click on this, and I will now click on this, don't adjust. So I'll click on that. Let's get the picture on. So immediately after that, you click on the image again, and you now click on this blue button here. So let's click on that. Can you see that it has brought the image to the front? It has brought the image here. So let's click on the image that we brought just now. Let's reduce the size to fit in. Let's reduce the size to fit into what we have here. So that's just it. And the next thing, I won't want to change all the pictures in order not to over elongate this video. So the next thing is to change the name. Is to type in the name of the host or whatever. So let's say the name of the host is Paul. Let's make it capital letter. Paul. So let's leave it at that. So that's just it. Can you see that it has changed? It has changed the name of the host. So that's just it. So Amazing Grace, and they said the theme is exceeding grace. So what you need to do is, if you have a different thing as we have done, you click on it, and you come here to click on it, and you edit it. So let's say let's just say Amazing Grace again, but you have to have a theme for the program. Amazing. So that's how to go about it. I'm just trying to show you what you do. Can you see that it has changed from exceeding to amazing? So let's just leave it at that. The same thing, you want to change it, edit this as well. You just click on it, on the grace, just click on it, and you edit it. So let's go to the date. The date that we have here is 15th of May 2022. So we can change this. We go and edit this. Let's say we are in 2023, and the date is let's say the day is March. Let's say March 20. Can you see that? All you need to do is just to edit. It's a plug and play. All you need to do is to just plug and play. Can you see that? What time is the program? You click on it and you go and edit. What time is it? It's let's say 9 a.m. So you change it to a.m. 9 a.m. That's it. And you go back and edit whatsoever is left. What's the church address? So you click on the address. You can zoom in if you want to, so way to have a clearer view. I've clicked on it. So let's zoom in. Okay, so let me rotate it so that we can move it upward. Let me zoom out a bit. Okay, so let's move it up. So let's click on the church address, and let's go to this place and edit it. Okay, so the church address, let me rotate it back so that I can the church address, let's say the church address is 5 what's it called, Amazing Avenue. New York, Nigeria. I don't know if there's any street like that in this country. So that's just it. So as soon as you are done with typing, editing it, you come down and so the next thing we want to do is to add our social media handles. So let's click on it and change it. So you come here and change it to whatsoever it is. Let's say the handle is amazing underscore grace. Can you see that? That's it, guys. You can see that we've edited everything. You can still work on it, adjust what you need to adjust, place it properly, make sure everything is well aligned. Do you understand it? And centralize. Do you understand? So after doing all that, the next thing you want to do is to print. Is to download it. So for you to download, you come here and you click on this three dot there. So let's go there straight away. Let's return the ray of light. We left it here, so let's bring it back to where it was. All right, so let's now click on the three dots, and the next thing you click on download. So you click on download. So it's loading, and the basic, we have the one that is basic. This basic here, which is free. The basic is free. And if you want to go for premium, you click on the drop down button there. There's the button here. You click on it. If you want a better quality of whatsoever you have designed, you click on that. And the standard image, you pay let's say $3 for that. And you want to have high definition image, you click here and you pay $8. You pay $8 to do that. So that's just it. So let's go for basic, since we don't have intention of paying. So we click on this, and you now come here and click on download. You come here and click on download. So let's click on download. So you click on download, and the next thing, you come here again and click on download. You click on download again. That's just it. So it has downloaded on your phone, in your gallery. So you want to have a view of what you've just done. You click on the open button there. But the major challenge with this is that it will come with a watermark. Whatsoever job you have designed here for free will come with a watermark. This is the watermark here. It will be on your job, and you won't want that. You won't want to design anything and send it to a client with a watermark on it. So in the subsequent videos, I will be teaching you how to remove the watermark. But let's in order not to elongate this video, let's end this video, and in the next video I'll be teaching us how to design a complimentary card using postermywall. So see you in the next training.